Now that we've got this beautiful website and the demo content installed, let's start making it our own. I'm going to start with the logo just because that's a simple win. If you don't have a logo, that's okay. In the next video, I'll show you a quick tip on how to create something that will meet your needs as you get going. But for now, let's go ahead and jump to the dashboard of our website. Once we're in there, halfway down the side, since we're using the Salient theme for this demo, all of the Salient options are under this custom tab here. So we've got our general settings and all kinds of stuff. And this is where most of your styling is going to happen if you're using this theme. Depending on the theme you use, you'll probably see something like this, or under appearance, you might see customize, and you can go in there as well. So this is something where you're going to have to do a little bit of search and discovery on your own. But again, when you buy a theme or when you download a theme, they usually have documentation. So again, this is where I would start. I'm going to come over here. And you can start clicking around and just exploring all the different options and literally just start clicking on stuff and hit save changes, bounce back to your website and see what it changes. So this is where you're going to have to just spend some time kind of getting familiar with whatever theme you're choosing. For now, let's jump over to the logo. And I happen to know that that's under the header navigation tab. So I'm going to click there and you'll see I've got this tab for logo and general styling. So if you have a logo, all you got to do is click on this upload button and throw it up there and click select down here, and then it'll be there. Then you can add a Retina version where it's exactly 2 times the size of your logo for the high density displays. You can tell it exactly what the height's going to be. And there's a few other settings you should know about down here, but again, just kind of scroll through and see what it does. When you're ready, hit save changes and your logo will be live. Now, if you don't have a logo, just click the off button here. We'll click save changes. And now I want to hold my place here. I don't want to lose what I'm working on. So I'm going to hold down the command key on a Mac. You can hold down the control key on a PC and then click. That'll open up a new tab for you. This is really helpful because then I can see the changes that I've done. In this case, I've got my site as the title instead of a logo. But I can also bounce back to where I've got those changes happening. So that way I can quickly toggle things on and off, hit save changes, bounce back to the other tab, refresh. In this case, I would usually just hit Command R on a Mac. I believe the shortcut is F5 on a PC. But regardless, just refresh the page and you can see those changes as they happen. So this is how you would change the logo. Really simple to do. So go ahead and start with that. Now, if you've got it saying, let's go ahead and turn this back off. Let's save it. I'll come back over here, hit Command R. Now it says my site. Let's say you wanted it to say something else. That's a quick change. Let's jump back to our dashboard. Let's go down to settings, general, and the site title. Let's just change it to whatever your name is. And let's make the tagline my custom. Actually, let's do it this way. Graphic design portfolio. We'll come down here and hit save changes. I'll bounce back to the live site and you'll see that now it has my name at the top left. So real simple to do. So go ahead and make that change now in your site if you're following along. And in the next lesson, I'll show you a quick tip on how to create your own custom logo to drop in here if you don't have one yet.